Apple has spent billions of dollars trying to solve one problem, and according to the latest iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks, it may have finally found the answer. The surprising part is that most people are focused on the A20 Pro chip, Apple Intelligence, and camera improvements. But a new leak has sparked a fresh wave of interest in Apple quietly taking one of its biggest steps toward a truly uninterrupted iPhone experience. According to multiple reports from Majin Buu and Notebook Check, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature Apple's largest 7-inch display. The company is reportedly making the screen taller rather than wider, increasing usable display space without sacrificing hand-holding comfort. But the biggest change isn't the larger display, it's what's disappearing from it. The dynamic island may finally be getting its biggest upgrade since first launched in iPhone 14 Pro. Supply chain leaks suggest Apple could shrink the cutout by 25 to 35% by moving more Face ID components under the display. If accurate, only the selfie camera and a few essential sensors would remain visible, bringing Apple one step closer to a true all-screen iPhone. The larger size would also mean Apple will have perfect room to increase the hardware size. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max could house a battery between 5100 to 5200 milliamp hours, the largest battery ever fitted inside an iPhone. For many users, that could translate into true 2-day battery life with normal use. And surprisingly, the biggest upgrade may not be on the front of the phone at all. According to multiple reports, Apple is testing a mechanical variable aperture system for the main 48-megapixel camera. Unlike traditional smartphone cameras that rely almost entirely on software processing, this system would physically adjust how much light enters the lens. The result could be more natural background blur, improved low-light photography, and a level of creative control normally reserved for dedicated cameras. Apple is also expected to upgrade the telephoto system with a wider aperture for significantly better zoom performance in night. Now, here is the most interesting part. A bigger and heavier truck needs a powerful engine, which brings us to the processor coming in the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Powering everything is Apple's new A20 Pro chip. Built on an advanced 2-nanometer process, the processor will deliver huge gains in both performance and efficiency. To support increasingly demanding Apple Intelligence features, leaks also point to a major jump to 16 gigabytes of RAM for the top-end variant. Combined with faster memory architecture and Apple's custom C2 modem, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become the company's most capable AI-focused smartphone yet. With Apple Intelligence becoming the core of iOS 27, iPhone 18 Pro Max is going to be a game-changer in the smartphone industry. Rumors also suggest Apple is working of an alloy mixed with titanium to improve the durability as well as the heat management, with premium finishes like dark cherry and sky blue, enhanced satellite connectivity, and a redesigned display experience, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max is going to be far more than what people initially expected. So, which feature are you most excited about? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.